Today I'm going to explain how to convert solid part to sheet metal part. Let's start. So this is a simple component application. Go to convert sheet metal. Select the base. So this is the face I'm going to collect as a base. Next, select bend. See, it is automatically converted. Select this and just select this and select this. And the other side, select this and select this. Now select this and select this and say OK. So this is the simple way to convert solid part to sheet metal part. And this is the flat pattern. So this is the simplest way to convert solid part to sheet metal part. Thank you.